Hi guys, Marley here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will share with you a DIY fall decoration idea using the plants from my backyard garden. And also, I will give an update on the chrysanthemum that I planted last November of 2021. This year, I decided to not buy any new chrysanthemum plants for my fall decoration. Instead, I decided to use the flowers that I already have in my garden. I'm talking about the marigold. This marigold plant that you see in a pot is actually a plant that came from my garden. It's a volunteer marigold plant that I transferred in a beautiful brown pot that was given to me by a friend. And I feel like it looks so well with the jack-o'-lantern pumpkins. Now, I did not grow this jack-o'-lantern pumpkins because I passed on all the pumpkins this year due to the stink bugs. Hopefully next year we can plant some, but I bought 2 jack-o'-lantern pumpkins. I still have the zinnia plant in here. It still looks good because fortunately we did not get the frost the other day. Over here, look at this one, guys. These are the corn stalks from my garden. My first corn harvest last August, which I saved. And now that they are all brown, I put a couple of tomato cages next to the pot of marigold, and then all I did was to put this dried corn plants inside the tomato cages, and it creates this beautiful farm effect right here. And then we have this witches. This is a metal decoration, and it comes with a ghost that was given to me by a friend as well. Now this one right here, it was a little bit windy a while ago, so some of them fell over, but I'm trying to put them back in here. Look at that. These are dried sunflower plants. So these are the dried sunflowers. The birds ate all of the seeds, so I decided to cut the plant down and put them in this pot. This is the 3-tier power planter that I created earlier this year using some Dollar Tree pots, and I have a video tutorial on that in my other channel that I will link in the description box below if you want to see how to create this beautiful DIY 3-tier flower planter. Last year I planted a chrysanthemum plant in the ground, and then I covered it with some dry leaves, and here it is, guys. Look at this chrysanthemum plant. So this is the one that I overwintered. It worked, and it has a lot of flower buds already that are ready to open. Unfortunately, the yellow chrysanthemum that I planted over there did not come back because I opened the cover a little bit early, and then we had a surprise freeze after that, and so that yellow one is gone, but this one here, which is like light pink color, is still alive and thriving. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you will consider using your garden materials for your fall decoration so you will save some money. Overall, I spent about $10 for this decoration just for the 2 pumpkins, and that's it. And next year I'm gonna plant some pumpkins, and hopefully I'm not gonna spend anything for my fall decoration. That's gonna be all for today. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.